Hello and welcome to another YouTube video. In this one we'll be talking about the voice typing accessibility feature for Google Docs. We'll show you how it works on the web service, how it works on the Android and on the iOS applications. So let's go straight to it. So starting with the web service on your PC, simply open Google Docs. You could open a new document or open an existing one. On the menu bar, click on Tools and select Voice Typing. There's a shortcut for it. You could use Ctrl+Shift+S. Okay, so we click on Voice Typing. And now where we have this icon, microphone icon, click on it. Now you could pick any of these. Allow this time or allow every visit. I prefer to use allow this time. Click on this. And now you may start typing or you may start talking. Okay, as you can see on the screen, as I talk, it types what I say. So yes, that's how it works. You click on the microphone icon again and then it disappears. That's how it works on the PC browser. Next we show you how it works on your Android device. This feature on your Android device, simply open the Google Doc Android app, open a new document, or you could click on an existing document. And okay, so if you're using an existing document, you want to click on the edit icon. Okay, and now we could edit it. Okay, just on your keyboard here we have the tiny microphone icon. You click on it and now you could speak. As you speak, it gets typed on your document. It's quite easy. You click on the same icon to stop the typing. You could use the exact same steps on an iOS device just as it is on the Android device, and there you go. Now you could type with your voice, and we see you in the next one. Ciao.